So our first step in Ujjayi breath is we're going to find constriction in the throat. We do this kind of like thinking as if you are fogging up a mirror. So place a hand in front of you and breathe as if you're fogging up a mirror. Feeling that constriction. So that constriction, feel that constriction, and know that that is the idea, the feeling that we're working towards. Now gently close your lips, seal your lips together, and continue to feel that breath. It's still like you're fogging up a window, but with the seal of your lips. That it's not as, you can't hear it as loud, but it's still having that same effect. The last step of this is your tongue and what your tongue is during this movement. You want to let your tongue touch the back of your teeth and then slowly come up to the roof of your mouth. So all of this, the constriction, the sealing of the lips, the tongue towards the roof of your mouth. Good, and when I ask you to breathe, I want you to think of breathing that Ujjayi breath during class today. Sometimes when you're with a large group of people, you hear it and it sounds good and we're kind of in a rhythm. It sounds like the ocean. Sometimes it happens, sometimes not. When you're by yourself, it's just you being able to access your breath and not worry about your alignment or what your pose or what other things that you're doing at that moment. So when I say Ujjayi breath, that's what I mean.